Hey guys, this is me, Ange. I'm gonna do a sketch. Like I said, this is the way I practice sketches before I put them on canvas. So I'm gonna, let's see. Something like that. And I'm gonna do some here. That's okay. Is it a crime? And I want you to want me too. The empire. Looks like she's gonna have a big mouth, right? That is some of my abstract practice, that's all it is. Is it a crime? And I want you to want me too. Sade, I love Sade. It's a nice song. The lady Sade, she's a very good singer. From many years ago, I've been listening to her. Very nice, smooth music she has. And I think my abstract art is done. I don't know what else to do to this. Do little squares in here, like little diamonds. What do you think, guys? I say it looks good. Now to put it on canvas, right? That's the thing. To put it on canvas is the hardest thing for me to do, but I get it done. Is it a crime? What do you think, guys? That's a nice little sketch, right? All right, see you guys later. Love you. We'll see if I put this one on canvas. Love you. Bye. There we go. I'm just starting to paint this canvas. The background, the color that I'm gonna want this background for my next painting. So right now I'm just doing the background. I'm not sure exactly if I'm gonna paint the middle. I may not want the middle paint at all, because and then if I put a gesso in the middle, which I have gesso, but the thing is I ordered gesso and I got a black gesso. I don't want to put black, and then my art dries, dark. So But I'm doing this last night. I put a white on this, and now I'm just putting a regular, you know, this nice, beautiful red color. Let's see. This color is called Scarlet Lake Red. Isn't it gorgeous, guys? I love it. I'm loving it. So I'm just getting this ready so I could draw my girl on it. The sketching I did early on today. I don't know if you guys heard me. I may be going on vacation for Christmas. Yeah, so I need a vacation. I need to get away and just refresh for a while. So we'll see. I may go see my granddaughter. So it's a big opportunity I have now. Again, I'm so happy. So I may spend Christmas with her. And then my husband's not going. He said it's okay. I spend Christmas over there. And I'll spend New Year's with my husband. So, you know. We're kind of used to taking vacations together most of the time. But at times we take vacations separately. So I guess that's what made us last 36 years, right? You got to give each other a little time out to regroup and refresh and start over again. So anyway, I'm just going to let this dry a couple of hours, and then I'll start drawing the face on it that I'm going to draw. So I'm just going to leave it alone. All right, guys. See you later. Love you.